Here's lesson 122, number 24. It wants all the terms listed of this binomial expansion. So if you have your triangle that I gave you, the Pascal's triangle, you can use that. I just drew my own. These are the coefficients of the four terms that I'm going to get. I think your book calls this F and S. F for the first thing and S for the second thing. I call them A and B because force of habit. So the first thing is 2x and the second thing is 3 over x squared. So I remember that the A's go in descending order, so they'll start with whatever number that is, and they'll go 3, 2, 1, 0 as far as the exponents go. And the B's will go in ascending order. They'll go 0, 1, 2, 3. So then I just make room for the A's and the B's by putting some parentheses. So the 1, I let that disappear, and the B to the 0, I let that disappear. And then I just made parentheses for my A cubed. And then that's my little A spot, and that's my little B spot. Okay, so it's going to be A squared times B, and then that's the 3 that came from there. There's the 3. The A was 2x, and see how I'm just filling them in. And then I let the 1 and the A to the 0 disappear and just have B cubed there. And then, so this ends up being 8x cubed, which I think you can probably see. This one is a little interesting because this x squared down here and this ends up being an x squared up here. They cancel out. And then this 2 becomes a 4. 4 times 3 is 12, and 12 times 3 is 36. So that's why this whole thing, this ends up being a 36. Over here, this 2 is going to square the 3 and give you 9. Times 2 is 18, times 3 turns out to be 54. This squaring turns this x into x to the 4th, but one of those x's cancels with this one, so you end up with x to the 3rd. You can write it all out if you want to. I feel more comfortable kind of doing it in my head. 3 cubed is 27, and x squared cubed is x to the 6th. And so there it is. That's the answer.